Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and use for AI coding on DeepSeek AI. First, download and install Ollama from ollama.com for your operating system. Then, open your terminal and verify the installation by running Ollama version. Next, pull the DeepSeek Coder model by executing Ollama pull DeepSeek Coder based in your terminal. Launch Visual Studio Code and navigate to the extensions Marketplace. Now, search for the Code GPT extension and install it. Open the Code GPT extension setting within VSCode. Configure the API provider to Ollama and set the URL to http://localhost:11434. Then, select the DeepSeek Coder model from the available options in the extension. Begin coding. DeepSeek will provide AI-powered code suggestions and assistance directly within VSCode. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.